In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Lightbox in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to use and click Edit Form. In the form builder, click Publish at the top of the page. From the left menu, select Embed to view the available embedding options. Choose Lightbox. Jotform will generate the code needed to display your form as a pop-up on your website. Click Copy Code to copy the Lightbox embed code. Open your website editor and paste the code where you want the Lightbox button or link to appear. Once the code is added to your site, visitors can click the button to open your Jotform in a pop-up Lightbox. Preview your website to make sure the Lightbox opens correctly and the form works as expected. That's how to create a Lightbox in Jotform. Thanks for watching.